Is your Tesla Model S radio silent or experiencing issues? This video covers common problems like no sound, tuner malfunctions, FMDAB reception failures, and streaming disruptions. Common problems include no sound output, tuner malfunctions, FMDAB reception failures, and streaming disruptions. These issues can stem from software bugs and glitches, hardware degradation, connectivity problems, or external factors like poor signal strength. Hardware issues often involve components like antennas and amplifiers, as shown in this Tesla part. To diagnose and fix, start by checking for over-the-air updates, perform a power cycle reset, verify connectivity settings, and inspect antennas and hardware. Tesla's latest software updates like version 2024.44 include fixes for radio issues. On the Tesla Model S dashboard, radio functions are accessed through the touchscreen, showing FM, DAB, and streaming options. Drawing on the latest updates as of January 2026, this overview sets the stage for more detailed troubleshooting in the following sections. Most Tesla radio issues are software-related. First, ensure your Tesla is running the latest software version via the car's Wi-Fi menu. Tesla often releases over-the-air OTA updates to address glitches. If updating doesn't work, try a power cycle. Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen resets. This often resolves minor software bugs. Radio streaming in your Tesla Model S requires a stable internet connection. First, ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi. Access the settings menu on the touchscreen and select Wi-Fi to connect to available networks. Alternatively, verify that you have a strong cellular signal. The signal strength indicator on the dashboard shows connection quality. If the signal is weak, try moving to an area with better coverage or enable roaming if traveling internationally. For streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music, enable enhanced streaming mode in the settings. This prioritizes Wi-Fi over cellular data, reducing buffering in areas with variable signal strength. If using Bluetooth for audio, ensure your phone or device is properly paired through the Tesla's Bluetooth settings. Check that your device's firmware is compatible with the vehicle's system to prevent audio synchronization issues with iOS or Android updates. Poor FM/DAB reception in Tesla Model S can often be traced to a faulty antenna. The roof-mounted antenna is critical for receiving radio signals and should be inspected for damage, particularly in pre-2020 models where wear is more common. Look for visible damage like corrosion or broken components at the antenna base. This corrosion can create signal interference, leading to weak or no reception across FM and DAB frequencies. Beyond physical damage, reception issues may stem from incorrect region settings. The DAB system must be configured for your specific region's broadcast standard, such as DAB+ in Europe or HD radio in North America. Regional broadcast standards vary significantly. For example, Europe uses DAB+ with specific coverage areas shown on this map, while other regions may use different digital radio formats. Incorrect configuration prevents proper signal decoding. The Tesla system must be region-locked to match the correct broadcast standard for your location. This ensures compatibility with local radio transmissions and optimal reception quality. When software updates and connectivity checks don't resolve Tesla Model S radio problems, the issue may lie with hardware components. Common hardware failures include faulty radio amplifiers and tuners. Radio amplifiers boost audio signals for clear sound output. In the Model S, these can fail due to heat exposure, moisture damage, or general wear over time, leading to no sound from the speakers. Tuners process FM and DAB signals. In older Model S vehicles, particularly those before 2018, tuner failures often result from degraded antenna modules or signal processing issues, causing reception problems or complete tuner lockups. Tesla addressed widespread amplifier issues with a voluntary recall, Campaign ID 2025-03, affecting approximately 50,000 Model S vehicles from 2016 to 2020. This recall provides free software patches and hardware swaps for affected units. If you suspect a hardware issue with your radio system, contact a Tesla service center for professional diagnostics. These services may be covered under warranty, especially for recalled vehicles. Tesla's service mode, accessible through the touchscreen menu, provides diagnostic error codes to help identify radio issues in the Model S. This advanced feature can reveal specific problems like tuner faults or connectivity glitches. When accessing service mode, look for error codes such as radio fault, which specifically indicates tuner-related problems. Other codes might include audio fault for sound output issues or connect fault for streaming disruptions. The Model S Alert Codes document, like the one shown here, provides detailed information about each error code, including whether it's displayed to the user and the associated behavior. Before attempting service mode, try a simple power cycle by holding the two scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds. This often resets minor software bugs affecting the radio system. Remember, accessing service mode requires advanced knowledge, and it's generally recommended to consult Tesla support or a qualified technician for proper diagnosis and repairs. When dealing with Tesla Model S radio issues, understanding when to handle repairs yourself versus seeking professional help is crucial. Some fixes are straightforward and DIY-friendly, while others require expert intervention. Software updates and connectivity checks are typically DIY-friendly. These involve updating the vehicle's firmware through the touchscreen menu or verifying Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth settings. Most users can perform these steps independently without specialized tools. However, hardware repairs involving amplifiers, tuners, or antennas should be handled by professionals. Independent mechanics warn that DIY hardware modifications can void Tesla's warranty and potentially make the problem worse by causing further damage to the vehicle's electrical system. For hardware-related radio issues, the best approach is to schedule a service appointment directly with Tesla. Use the vehicle's touchscreen to book an appointment online or contact Tesla support. Professional technicians can diagnose and repair hardware components properly while maintaining warranty coverage. Tesla's infotainment system is evolving rapidly, with future developments focused on advanced AI-driven diagnostics that can predict and prevent radio failures using machine learning algorithms. These systems will analyze driving data to identify potential issues before they occur. Integration with autonomous driving features will allow the radio to automatically tune to preferred stations based on learned driver preferences, creating a seamless experience. Satellite-based radio through partnerships like Starlink may eliminate reliance on terrestrial tuners by 2028. Experts recommend performing regular firmware updates to prevent the majority of radio faults, as Tesla's software prioritizes remote fixes. Be cautious with third-party modifications, which can void warranties and potentially worsen issues. The future outlook is optimistic, with forecasts predicting a 50% reduction in infotainment complaints across electric vehicles by 2030, driven by Tesla's software agility and modular hardware replacements. Always prioritize official Tesla support channels for the most reliable fixes.